We're back with another video. This time we're showing you how to disassemble your wire shelving. While you don't need any tools to assemble your shelving, you will need a rubber mallet to disassemble it. Since gravity is what holds the shelves on their posts, we recommend flipping the shelving unit over and using gravity to help take the shelves off. To remove a shelf from the shelf clips, give a couple of taps with your mallet to each corner of the shelf on the frame. It's important not to hit the shelf, which can damage it. Applying pressure to the shelf while tapping prevents the shelf from automatically latching back up. If you're having trouble loosening the shelf, lay it on its side. Now it's time to remove the shelf clips. Put your finger on the clip where it attaches and twist away. Then carefully make your shelf level and take it off, tapping it with the mallet if you need to. Posts that are over 64 inches long come in two parts. Taking them apart makes it easier to slide the rest of the shelves off. Just find where the posts meet and twist them off. To finish, we find it helps to put your foot on the bottom shelf and twist the rest of the posts off. If you have any specific questions, leave a comment or feel free to reach out to us. We hope this helps make disassembling wire shelving easier for you in the future.
Shelving.com. We rack your world.